So I'm here in Lima, Peru, in the Miraflores neighborhood. Check out my view. So it turns out if you want to go to Machu Picchu, you actually have to catch a flight to Cusco. So let's go. VagaBondVito. Alright, so this is Cusco, high altitude. Some say it's double Denver. Taking a little day walk up and down the strip here, seeing what this place is all about. Plaza de Armas. You want to do some shopping? This is a spot. The Centro Historico. Now you know. Okay, here's your Cusco Airbnb tour. Cusco actually has a lot more to offer than what I did in this vid. I took the late afternoon flight from Lima, which was only about an hour. That only gave me a few hours of sunlight to film when I got in, and I did not have a plan. I recommend you do 2 or 3 days in Cusco at a minimum so you can do some tours. So I'm about to hit the bed here. I gotta be up at 6 a.m. to catch the early train to Machu Picchu in the morning, so my next video should be better for you. Alright, that's it for you guys. I'm burnt to the bone. Wish I could be more entertaining, but that's it for Cusco Airbnb numero uno. Ciao, ciao. VagaBondVito.